shakedown for Parker 425 on a couple of the trucks. We're gonna go with 7200 for Glen Towers, pretty cool. He's all the way here from Australia. And we've got the full bore motorsports trophy truck that I will be piloting. I'll be qualifying and driving that truck through Parker. Take a look at these guys. Oh yeah, we got Chase 1 and Chase 2. Need to get the wrap done on Chase 2. But Chase 1 wrap, Chase 2. 7200 with an EcoBoost motor. This thing's pretty cool. Got all Life Racing V6 twin turbo for the 7200 class. This is what Glen from Australia, Glen Towers, will be racing. Go follow his Instagram page for all racing updates on that guy. They'll be here shortly. And this is full bore motorsports trophy truck for Richie Armstrong. I'll be piloting this in qualifying and throughout the race for him. I'll have an update on some more of that later. Take the body off for testing. Keep it nice and pretty for qualifying. Yeah, probably it will, Robert. We're taking off at 7 p.m. today. We're gonna be early. Early is on time. On time is late, and late is unacceptable. Heading to the start line for the Parker 425. Driving the trophy truck for Richie Armstrong today. We're gonna do our best. Full bore motorsports all the way. Here's another Brenthel Industries truck, the 6100 truck. Again, driving the full bore motorsports truck for Richie Armstrong today.